2 hours after being launched from a Russian cosmodrome, Sentinel 5 Precursor, 5P for short, established contact with its 2 ground stations in Sweden and Canada. Built in cooperation with Airbus Defence and Space, it is one of several satellites of the ESA's Earth Observation Program, known as Copernicus. Its 3 tasks are monitoring excessive air pollution, measuring damage to the ozone layer, and convincing skeptics that human activities are indeed causing changes to the climate.
It's about understanding the sources of these trace gases, these pollutants, where they're coming from, how they're linked to man-made and natural activities. So it's a range of things that we're concerned about. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, methane, gases like that that affect our atmosphere and are linked to what we do on Earth.
The main instrument on board, called Trautmann, is an advanced imaging spectrometer that measures changes in the air by comparing sunlight reflected from the atmosphere with the light coming directly from the sun. An important attribute of Trautmann is its much improved resolution.
Pixel size will be as low as 3.5 kilometers times 7 kilometers. So we can then investigate small-scale features over big cities and city agglomerates, for example.
It will take only 3 hours for 5P's ground-based servers to turn the collected data into information useful for the general public, specifically people suffering from pulmonary diseases, cardiovascular diseases, or asthma, so they can take precautionary measures to mitigate the effects of air pollution. But data will also be used for scientific research.
With Sentinel 5 Precursor, we can now analyze the trends of cities in much more detail, and we can continue the successful trend analysis that they've started in the 90s with satellites to fight air pollution worldwide.
Scientists are even developing smartphone and web applications that will allow people at risk to receive timely warnings about high air pollution levels. As its name implies, 5P is a precursor to the proper Sentinel-5 satellite scheduled to launch in 2021. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.